From the Startup screen, click on Open, browse to your Chapter 14 folder, and open the file, Chapter 14, Switching Circuits. This exercise is a follow-on from one of the previous ones about creating lighting circuits. To do this, carry on in Level 2, Lighting Plan. In the previous exercise, we created lighting circuits and connected them to a distribution board. In this exercise, we want to create switching circuits. Select one of the light fittings, and from the Contextual tab, click on Create a Switch System. We now want to edit the switch system, and much like we've done previously, add to the system, either individually or in groups, the different lights that you want to appear on the switch. Once you've selected the light fittings, you can then select the switch, which has now been added to the switch system. Click on Finish. Let's repeat that for the same room. Select a lighting fixture, or in this case, let's select the other 6 for that room. Create a switch system, and then select the switch. There are several ways to show the lights and how they're connected to both the circuit and the switch. Place your cursor over one of the light fittings and press the Tab key. This shows the electrical circuit. If I now select that with the left mouse button, I can choose to generate an arc-type wiring from the temporary wiring. Although these are all on the same circuit, they're not switching in exactly the same way. So this method of placing the wires might not be entirely accurate for what we're trying to do. So I'm going to delete some of these and add my own wires. From the Systems tab, click on Wire, making sure you pick up the connection point. Draw the wires in manually. Now what I'll do is link these two, which I know that these 9 fittings are all on the same circuit, but they're not switched together. So this wire, I can override its graphics and change its projection lines to, say, hidden, to indicate a circuit line rather than a switching line. Finally, we want to place a tag to indicate the circuit. Go to Tag by Category, uncheck Leader, and tag the wire. This may need moving, but you can see we get the result we're after.